Amber Heard's lawyers have asked that the verdict against her in the parallel defamation case with ex-husband Johnny Depp be completely overturned. Heard, who was found responsible for 3 defamation claims in June, said in a 43-page memorandum that the jury's decision should be overturned along with the more than $10 million judgment because it was not supported by the available evidence. She also claimed, among other things, that Depp's assertion that Heard's comments in a Washington Post op-ed caused him to lose his role in Pirates of the Caribbean was untrue. Heard was represented at trial by attorney Elaine Bredihoff. Of course, fans were shocked that Amber still had the audacity to appeal the verdict, let alone ask that it be completely crossed out. Johnny's lawyers were baffled as well and didn't let this slip. In fact, Ben Chu has a lot to say about this, and Depp's head lawyer was pretty savage if you ask me. So, how did Johnny react to this motion and what did Ben say about Amber's appeal? Let's find out. Apparently, Amber thinks she has the grounds to ask for the verdict to be overruled. Ben Chu thinks otherwise. I mean, Johnny's lawyer wasn't playing around and slammed the motion right then and there. Amber's team asked a lot of questions and questioned a lot of things about the verdict. Aside from the things I already mentioned above, Heard's team also believes that the decision handed down by the jury, which found both she and Depp to have slandered one another, was disproportionate. Ben Chu slammed the petition to dismiss in an email to Courthouse News, saying it was what we expected, just lengthier, no more substantive. Depp's attorney was obviously not having any of it and condemned the motion like a plague because, literally, this is the same old thing they've been complaining about. They just wrote a longer one than the previous one, so Ben might be very annoyed by now. A lot of fans also think this way and leave comments about the matter. One fan said, "I'm so fed up with this case. Can she just move on? She doesn't realize that even if one more court happens and she wins, it won't help her to restore her reputation. She never actually had a good one among colleagues in Hollywood, and therefore it's not surprised nobody. I think Amber is far from moving on with the guys. I mean, a 43-page motion at this time. Her team is ready to prolong this as long as they can in a desperate attempt to save their faces." Fortunately, Depp's lawyers acted quickly and prevented this from happening. But who knows? We might get more from Amber's side in the coming days. How about you? Do you think Amber has grounds to set aside the verdict, or is she aiming too far? Let us know in the comments below.